contributing to workers' wages. Since March, the job retention scheme has paid 80% of the wages of employees, but now that's going down to 70%, with the employer making up the other 10%. With the scheme set to finish at the end of October, what does this mean for employers and businesses across the county? Well, we've been speaking to an employment law specialist from Medway about this.
It's quite a big difference because previously all employers were required to pay were the national insurance and pension contributions. Now they're going to have to pay an extra 10%. And whilst that might not seem like a lot to some, for a lot of small businesses, or particularly those sectors that have struggled the most, such as the beauty and the hospitality, it's going to be really difficult for them to find that extra cash. I think it's actually been incredibly helpful both to employees and to employers. There have been lots of organisations and businesses which have been able to take some staff back, whereas they wouldn't have been able to if the scheme didn't exist. Obviously, all things that just have to come to an end, and I think that's when we're going to start seeing a rise in redundancies. There's only so far we can prolong the problem. It's not a nice thing to go through redundancy or indeed to have to make redundancies, but ultimately decisions have to be made. So I think it's probably run its course.
Next tonight, bus companies in Kent say they're ready for a surge in school children as the new term starts. That's